Can't hear callers unless your iPhone is on speaker? Here's how to fix it in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This usually happens because of a dirty earpiece speaker, Bluetooth audio routing, audio glitches, or incorrect settings. Let's fix it step by step. Check the small speaker at the top of your iPhone. Use a soft brush or dry cloth to gently clean it. Dust and pocket lint can block sound. Go to Settings, Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off. Your iPhone may be routing audio to AirPods, a car, or headphones. Restart your iPhone to clear temporary audio glitches. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch. Tap Call Audio Routing. Set it to automatic or receiver, not speaker. During a call, press the volume up button. Call volume is separate from media volume. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio, and Visual. Turn off phone noise cancellation. This can fix low or missing call audio. If the issue continues, go to Settings General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset all settings. This won't delete your data. If you still can't hear callers, the earpiece speaker may be damaged and needs repair. If speaker mode works clearly but normal calls don't, it's usually an earpiece hardware issue. And that's it. These steps should fix the issue where you can't hear callers unless on speaker. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.